this 9 minus, because this is division, you say minus 3. 3 times 10 raised to power 9 minus 3. So that means you now have 3 times 10 raised to power 9 minus 3 will give us what? 6. Then number 6. Number 6, that is what? 3x raised to power minus 3. Now you realize that this minus 3 is only affecting this x. And we need to change this negative power to a positive power. You should take note here that minus 3 is only affecting x. So that means you have 3 times this minus x raised to power minus 3, you change it to positive power. It will give us 1 over x raised to the power of 3. So that means same thing as saying, so you're having 3 times 1 over x raised to power of 3. So here you're having 3 times 1 will give us 3 over x raised to the power of 3. Then let's move on to number 7. So which is what? A raised to power minus 9 divided by b raised to power of 0. A raised to power minus 9 divided by b raised to power of 0. Now from here, you realize that a raised to power minus 9 divided by anything we know in this, we say that anything that raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Then same thing as saying a raised to power minus 9 over 1 divided by 1, which will still give us a raised to the power of minus 9. And in indices, when you are dealing with indices, you don't leave your final answer in a negative power. So that means this negative power can be turned to positive power. You now have 1 over a raised to the power of 9. 1 over a raised to the power of 9. So let's move on. Let's go to number 8. Number 8, you have 3x raised to the power of minus 3. You must take note here that there is a bracket here which shows that this minus 3 will affect everything inside the bracket. 3x raised to the power of minus 3. So you need to turn this negative power to positive power. Since it is inside the bracket, so that means this minus 3 will affect everything here. So to turn it to a positive power, so that means you now have 1 over 3x raised to the power of positive 3. So from here, you can remove this bracket. This 3 will affect everything inside the bracket. So same thing as 1 over this 3, this power will affect this 3. This power will affect this x. So which will give us 3 raised to power 3 and x raised to power 3. Now, what is 3 raised to power 3? 3 raised to power 3, that means you are multiplying 3 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 27. Then you're having x raised to the power of 3. Then from there, let's move to number 9. Now you're having 9e raised to power minus 5 times 4e raised to power 6. Now here, you will see that 9 and 4, they are constant number, and you multiply them that way. You having 9 times 4 will give us 36. Then you realize that a raised to the power of minus 5 and a raised to the power of 6. From here, you realize that since this multiplication, you just need to add their powers. So that means you'll be having 36a raised to power minus 5, because this multiplication you say plus 6. So you're having 36a raised to power minus 5 plus 6 is what? That is plus 1. Minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1. So since this is plus 1, you can leave it, whenever it's having a power of 1, you can leave it, you may not write to the 1, or you may write, so it's the same thing as saying 36a. Let's move on to number 10. So number 10 is what? 5x raised to power 2 times 4x raised to power 0 times 2x raised to power minus 6. So from here, you realize that you can multiply. If you're having 5, 4, and 2, they are constant numbers. So you just multiply them. So that means we'll be having 5 times 4 is 20, times 2 will give us what? 40. So these are 40. So then you now have x raised to power 2, x raised to power 0, x raised to power minus 6. So since everything here is multiplying, so that means what you just simply do is to add their powers. So that means you have x raised power of 2 plus 0 plus, this is minus 6. Here you realize two signs are beside each other. You need to resolve them. So that means you having 40x raised power 2 plus 0 plus times minus to give us minus 6. So from there you having 40x raised power 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 minus 6 will give us minus 4. And you should not leave this in a negative power. So you can see that this minus 4 is only affecting this x. So that means you need to turn this one to a positive power. So that means you now have 40 times. When you change x raised power minus 4 to a positive power, you have 1 over x raised power 4. So from here, you have 40 times 1 will give us 40 over x raised power 4. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. And if you have any problem, you can, or you need some personal tutor, and you want me to tutor you personally, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is 080 68 30 9191. Thank you.